Just got your new Shots Ergo wireless headphones? To set them up, first make sure your smartphone and your Shots Ergo are right next to each other and your headphones are fully charged. Done? Let's get started. Power on. The earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the charging case. Power off. The earbuds will automatically turn off once placed inside the charging case. Pairing. Take both earbuds out from the charging case. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or laptop and open the Bluetooth menu. Select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Shots Ergo. Your Shots Ergo are now paired with your device and ready to use. Resetting your Noise Shots Ergo. If you are having trouble with your Noise Shots Ergo, try resetting to the following steps. First, make sure your Shots Ergo are fully charged. On your paired smartphone or laptop, remove or delete your Shots Ergo from the list of paired devices in the Bluetooth menu. Remove both earbuds from the charging case. Press and hold the buttons on both earbuds until both LEDs flash white 3 times. Now tap both earbuds 3 times each. Both earbuds with LEDs flash white once. Place both earbuds in the charging case. Your Shots Ergo have now been reset and are ready to be paired with your smartphone or laptop again. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, press either left or right earbud once. To end a call, press either left or right earbud once. To reject an incoming call, press and hold either left or right earbud for 1 second. Activating Voice Assistant. To use Google Assistant or Siri on your Android device or iPhone, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. In Music Control, to play or pause music, tap either left or right earbud once. To go back to the previous track, press and hold the left earbud for 1 second. To advance to the next track, press and hold the right earbud for 1 second. Volume controls. To increase the volume, tap the right earbud 3 times. To decrease the volume, tap the left earbud 3 times. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.